I was speaking with a client who recently underwent carpal tunnel surgery, and she wanted to know how the accident caused her carpal tunnel syndrome. Hang on a moment, and I'll explain the anatomy of a carpal tunnel injury. Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino, a Northwest Indiana personal injury lawyer and author of a guide to Indiana car accident claims. The main cause of carpal tunnel syndrome that I have seen has been direct trauma to the hand or wrist. Let's spend a minute and break down the carpal tunnel. First, we're talking about the area right here in the wrist. The wrist bones are called the carpals, and the culprit in carpal tunnel syndrome is the median nerve. The roof of the tunnel is covered with a fibrous band called the Flexor Retinaculum. So what happens with trauma to the hand or wrist, like falling onto an outstretched arm or tightly gripping the steering wheel when you're in a crash, is it sets up an inflammatory process, which ends up causing pressure on the nerve, which ends up causing symptoms. You can have pain, numbness, tingling, or weakness in the areas where the median nerve travels, which is the thenar eminence of the thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, and sometimes part of the fourth finger. That's how these problems get set up. If you have any questions about a carpal tunnel injury after an accident, you can always give me a call. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine. Have a nice day.